Guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in Battersea, Mandeville, Manchester, is this 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home that sits on well-landscaped grounds of approximately 13,553 square feet. It has a soothing ambiance and a majestic garden, which makes it the perfect family home. It is being sold fully furnished, providing the new owners with the luxury of just purchasing and moving. Some other features includes water heater, spacious living and dining, TV room, a fully equipped kitchen for a chef, spacious closet and electronic garage. It is also just 5 to 10 minutes away from the town of Mandeville, allowing easy access to the necessary amenities. You do not want to miss this opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 730,000 or Jamaican $112.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.